everyone, my name is Tailor. I'm a fashion designer and you are welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel, welcome to Daisy's Wardrobe. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an existing subscriber, welcome. I'm an African-inspired racewear fashion designer based here in Lagos, Nigeria, and I've been in business for 10 years. And so here on my channel, I talk about my business, I talk about being a fashion designer, and in today's video, I'm talking about what you need to look out for when you're hiring a tailor for your fashion business. So with the lifespan of my business, I've hired a few tailors in the last 10 years, and I would consider myself very lucky because I've not had to work with so many hands in the last 10 years. But generally, a lot of people who run fashion businesses, that is usually the biggest issue they always have. And that is the biggest issue every person that owns and runs a fashion business asks me. How do I hire a tailor? How do I manage my tailors? I'm having tailor problems. I'm having tailor issues. I would not consider myself to be an expert when it comes to hiring tailors, but I think I know a thing or two about hiring tailors to work for you. So first of all, I would say you need to consider the kind of person that you are. You need to consider the kind of personality that you have, and be very honest with yourself. Don't say, I'm a very nice person, it's very good to work with me. It's very good for you to work with yourself, but not necessarily very good for other people to work with you. That is it. So you need to be very honest with yourself. And when you're honest with yourself, when you start interviewing tailors, you will know who to employ or who to hire as a tailor to work with you. Whatever kind of tailor you employ, they're going to be working very closely. So you need to understand your kind of temperament. Your kind of temperament will also go a long way in determining the kind of tailor that you will employ. Whether you want a male tailor, whether you want a female tailor. And in the process of your interview, whatever vibe that person's personality is giving off, that is a pointer that will help you and assist you in determining whether this is a good fit for you or not. Are you enjoying my video? Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and put on the notification bell so that you know when I put up a new video. Thank you. When hiring a tailor, you need to also ask certain questions. It's not just about the tailor is very good. There are so many good and fantastic tailors out there who have no work ethics, who don't know how to work with people, who don't understand that working for other people, they are running a business. There are so many things that are involved, and so many things that are involved to get your salary paid. So, apart from vetting for a very good tailor, you also need to find out what their work ethic is like. Where have they worked before? How do they work under pressure? How are they able to manage working with other people? Because you're not going to be the only one they will work with. They will probably work with other people that work for your fashion brand. Another thing is, there are different kinds of ways to hire tailors in Nigeria here. I don't know about other places outside Nigeria, but I speak for Nigeria because Nigeria is the only place that I have run my business in the last 10 years. So there are different ways of hiring a tailor. You can hire a tailor on a contract basis, which we call commission basis. Basically, they're paid based on their output. And you can also hire a tailor based on a salary. Basically, pay them a salary at the end of the month. You would want to ask me which one is best. It all depends on you. It all depends on your business model. It all depends on what you are able and what is convenient for you to do. There is no fast routes or best routes when it comes to these issues. So if you feel that hiring a tailor on a commission basis is best suited for your business, please go ahead and do that. But you need to make things clear between you and a tailor that is working for you or that you're about to hire, that the work that they're doing for you is on a commission basis. And on the flip side of it, if you decide to employ a tailor who will be paid a salary every single month, you also need to clarify and let the tailor know that they're going to be paid on a monthly basis, and also find out if that is also convenient for them, because there are some tailors who have worked most of their careers as earning a commission, and some have worked most of their careers as earning a salary. So you need to find out if in your business what is comfortable for you is paying on a salary basis. You need to find out from them if it's okay with them. If they're a bit hesitant about it, you also need to find out the reason why they're being hesitant. And if it is that you pay on a commission basis, you need to let them know. And if they're not comfortable with that, or they're a bit hesitant in giving you a response, you also need to know the underlying factor as to why they're being hesitant about it as well. When you're hiring a tailor, there shouldn't be any blurry lines. Your lines should be very, very clear. The same thing goes for hiring people to work for your business. The lines need to be very, very clear. And what do I mean by the lines need to be very, very clear? What your business, what you do, what you stand for, what you expect, and what should be done. The lines need to be ruled out. It needs to be properly communicated in every situation. A lot of people have the mindset that when they hire a tailor and the tailor wants to collect a commission or a salary that is a lot, and when I mean a lot, I'm talking about some serious amount of money. Are you enjoying my video? Please give me a thumbs up. It goes a long way to help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and put on the notification bell so that you know when I upload a new video. Thank you. And the tailor tells them that the reason why they're charging them that amount of money is because they have a lot of experience, they have a lot of expertise, and then you have also tested this tailor by giving them samples to make for you, and they've done that successfully well. The thing is, you also need to be honest with yourself. Can you afford this tailor? There's no point hiring a tailor that all the money that you make in a month, you are paying to that tailor, especially if you're a very small business. You are paying to that tailor. The thing about fashion business, what you make month A, month B, month C will never be the same. Even if they're the same, they will never be the same figure. They may be around the same amount, or they may not. Some months may be higher than others, but there's always an average. So that average that you make on a monthly basis that covers your overhead every single month, can it cover that tailor or those tailors that you have employed for your fashion business? If it cannot, you need to step back and go back to the drawing board and also start to think of how you can get other tailors that can do just as good work, but not as much money. I've had instances whereby I've hired tailors and told them to come and do interviews with me, and I give them samples to make before we start the interview process, and then I decide on whether to hire them or not. I ask them all the financial things that are involved. They tell me what they want, and when I tell them to make a sample, I'm with them, I'm looking at what they're doing. Some are asking for so much money but have no clue, absolutely no clue. I've had a tailor before who I employed in the very first year of my business actually, and the tailor would make these beautiful clothes and you'll be so blown away. But when it's time for a human being to wear them, you start seeing all the flaws. You start seeing where one place is like this, one place is like that, it's not fitting here, it's not sizing in that place. It all has to do with the measurements, quite all right. But that is why you, as a fashion designer hiring a tailor, you need to know the basics of sewing. You need to know the fundamental basics of sewing so that you're not being run over or you're not being bamboozled or better still scammed. My video today is not that long, it's very short, and I hope you enjoyed my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and put on the notification bell so that you know when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!